Good morning, everyone. This is me, Pooja Singh. So, first of all, I would like to thank Pradeep sir for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. So, today my main intention of coming here and speaking in front of you that is to share with you like how one idea helped me to change myself. So, I would like to begin by saying that your idea have the power to change not only one person's life but also have the power to change the whole world. So, the ideas are the biggest inspiration for a person to make him successful in his life. If we talk about any of the successful person of this world, like whether it's Elon Musk, whether it's Jeff Bezos, Sundar Pichai, Mukesh Ambani, Bill Gates, and many more, they all talk about the importance of ideas in their life. Even I started believing on the power of the words. So today I'm going to share with you one story, one my own experience it is, like how one idea helped me to change myself. So few years back when I was living in Morena with my family. So there was one girl in our neighborhood. Actually, she was a daughter of our one neighbor. So her name was Poonam Singh. She was at that time she was working in FM Chaska of Gwalior. At present time, she is working in Bhopal. FM Chaska of Bhopal. I mean, it is a very big company there. So at present time, she's at the top level. So what happened? Uh, some days later, she made me a call. When she was living in Morena, she made me a call. So she made me a call and she said, "Hi Pooja." I said, "Hello Didi." She said, "Where are you right now?" I said, "Right now I'm at my home." What happened? She said, "Actually today I'm at home and even I have not gone to my work. So can you come here?" I said, "Why? What happened?" She said, "Actually I have made something. So let's enjoy together. We both will enjoy together." So I said yes. So I just said yes. I just said to Didi, I'm just coming in only 20 minutes. Because I said yes because I really liked her company, to be in her company, because I always, by living in her company, I always get something new to learn. So actually she was also inspiration for me. So I just said yes, and after like 20 minutes I just went to her home. So as I went there, as we started talking with each other, so as in front of me, like one call came, and she received the call. The call was from her office, so she was talking in front of me in English. So I was continuously, I was noticing her, and I was completely captivated the way of her speaking. Actually, she was a very well and mesmerized English speaker. So I just listened her, and when she came back after attending her call, I just asked her, "Di, how well you speak English? So can I also speak like you? Can I also be like you?" So first of all, she smiled, and then she said, "Absolutely, you can." And on that day, she said to me one thing. She said, "If you work hard and give your best, then you can do anything, you can achieve anything in your life, no matter whether it's a task of learning English or something else." Her those words really impacted me a lot on that day. She finished by saying this, but her those words I still remember. Whenever I got stuck or whenever I have my or doubt on myself, I always remember, I always memorize those words which she said to me few years back. So I started from the same day, like on that particular day, on the same day, I promised to myself that one day I will be a very nice speaker as like her. From the same day, I started working hard. And I started developing myself, and still and she always like encouraged me how I can do it, and she always tells me about what is good, what is bad. So how that idea she said to me on that day, like if you work hard, then if you work hard and give your best, then you can do anything, you can achieve anything in your life. How those words really helped me to change myself. So from the same day, I started believing on the power of the words. Thank you.